king's true greatness, a short moral story. King Arthur ruled a prosperous kingdom. He was kind, wise, and loved by his people. Unlike other rulers, he didn't wear fancy robes or sit on a golden throne all day. Instead, he often walked among his people, listening to their struggles and helping them. One day, a wealthy visitor came to the kingdom. Seeing Arthur dressed in simple clothes, helping a farmer fix his cart, the visitor scoffed, "You are a king. Why lower yourself to a common man's work?" Arthur smiled and replied, "A true king serves his people, not just rules over them." To prove his point, he invited the visitor to the royal feast that evening. There, the visitor saw how deeply the people respected Arthur, not for his wealth, but for his kindness. He realized that true greatness came from humility, not power. Before leaving, the visitor bowed and said, "You are not just a king, you are a leader worthy of love and respect." Arthur continued ruling with humility, and his kingdom remained strong and happy. Moral: true greatness comes from humility. A leader earns respect not through power, but through kindness and service to others. Thank you for watching.